wondering why I'm in shock. Because of this. Bro. Okay, we were messing around. And then this gamer just put the freaking pretzels on fire. Jesus.
Okay. Let's go now.
So we've seen this in YouTube before.
Yep.
And okay.
Let's try it.
Yeah, no. Okay. Shit. I'm so scared. I gotta pee myself.
Not doing nothing.
Yeah. Hold on, just be careful for like fire or something. Look at this. It's not even doing anything.
Oh, I know what will.
What? Oh shit, no! Oh fuck no! Bro, you crazy! You crazy as fuck! Oh shit! Bro, a savage! Oh shit. Oh shit! Bro, here's smoke.
Oh Jesus Christ, it's
What?
so warm.
Oh yeah! It is warm. Okay, let's not do that again. You almost scared me. Scared the hell out of me. Jesus Christ. It smells like...
happened. Oh shit.
Okay, do you want to do a different bag?
Sure.
Cause you better shit. Down there.
Ooh, how about one of those paper bags?
Oh yeah, I got those.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna try something different. We're gonna be doing paper bags.
And also, don't steal our thing. This is our thing, YouTube. Yes. So don't. I know you think.
Let's see what this does.
Yeah.
3.
I bet I won't do it. 3, 2, 1. Okay. I'm so scared. What? It stopped.
It's not doing nothing.
I can't tell if it's like burnt. Bro, it's probably because it's a bag.
How? That's bullshit.
Oh. Maybe because it's made of tinfoil, man. I don't know.
Oh, bro. No, aluminum foil. Yes.
Aluminum foil. Oh yeah. Get it. We're savages. YouTube, don't take away this video, okay? Please don't. We're not. Okay. We just want this for views.
Yep.
Okay. 3, 3, 2, 1. Let this out. Oh shit!
Oh shit! Oh my god!
I'm blinded! Oh shit!
Oh, what?
Wait a minute, what? What happened to the microwave? What happened to it? Oh shit! No. What?
Okay.
You burned yourself?
No, it hurt me.
Oh god! You saw that shit, guys? Look at this! Look at this! Oh! You saw? Oh shit! Bro, look at the ceiling! Bro, look at the fucking ceiling! Bro,
No, that was there before.
dude, it smells like a freaking hot pocket in there. Oh shit! YouTube, don't take this video away. We might get a lot of views for this. I'm so scared. Oh shit! No, you're fucking crazy. Is that real execution? Oh shit! We better stop before.